Hi everyone, thanks for joining us for another S.E.E.K Science video powered by S.E.E.K Foundation. And today we are going to learn how to make body scrub. Yay! So let's get started. The ingredients you will need to make your body scrub are a base oil, and a base oil can be coconut oil, almond oil, and any other kind of oil that you would like to use, but you must choose one base oil. And you're gonna also need your scrub, and it can be either brown sugar or salt. And some people also use sugar canes because it's been said that it can be used for any type of skin, but we know everybody's not the same, so somebody may be allergic to it. In addition to that, you are going to need whatever fragrance you would like to add. You will need a jar, a measuring spoon, a tablespoon, and you're going to also need a container to mix it in. So let's go ahead and do part one. So I bet you want to know what I'm going to do for step one. Okay, let me tell you. I am going to take half a cup of coconut oil. I'm going to use that as my base. And then I am going to use 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. In addition, I'm going to add my scrub, which is going to be brown sugar, and I am going to add half a cup of brown sugar. All right, let's do it. Next step, you are going to mix your ingredients all together until you get like, I guess, your own type of feel that you want for it. Some people want their scrub to be thick, some people want it to be watery, but you don't want it to be too watery or too thick. So you're gonna mix all the ingredients together until you get a consistent gel form that you like, right? As you can see, I'm mixing it up, but I want it to be more a liquid form, not too solid. So I'm just gonna add more of the oil of my choice. And so I will add more castor oil because I know that's good for the skin, or you can add vitamin E oil. You can also add tea tree oil. So it's based on whatever oils you like, but you must have a base oil. So now we have a consistent texture. Like, I like this texture, and you can use this anywhere on your body. Your face, I don't know. I mean, let me see. Let's see. Tastes good too. So I like this, but I feel like I should add more sugar. And if you see how shiny my skin is, and so with the sugar, it's doing the exfoliation on my skin. And then you will wash it off in the tub or in the shower. I want to add more sugar because it will give me more of that friction to scrub on my skin, to exfoliate the dead skin. So the more sugar you add, the more friction it will create within your substance to kind of get off that dead skin by rubbing it on your skin, okay? So let's do that. You just go ahead and add your fragrance. That's the last one. So I've been using this Nature's Garden. Is white sage and sea salt. It smells really good. All you need is a few drops of that. So I will pour this inside my beaker and use my pipette. Probably cat fur from Whiskers. I mean Pancake, that's my old cat. And add it, just a few drops. There we go. Hear that scrub on there? That was just a little. And then you wash it off. So let me wash my hand off. You see the oils? So it's like you're exfoliating your skin, grabbing that dead oil, and you're also rejuvenating your skin, giving it the oil that it needs. So again, I use coconut oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil. You can use whatever oils you like. You just have to have one base. It can be almond seed oil. So, let's wash this off. So if you notice, I washed it off. And if any of you ever used a scrub, a good scrub, you know that it'll show like the oil that's still on your hand. And then when I dry it, it looks soft. I'm almost, it's my own skin, so I can't really tell. So we'll see a few days from now to see how it feels compared to my other skin. But if you look at it, you can see the difference here and on this side to me. Not sure, but All right, so last step, you want to transfer it in your jar, and then you just want to let it sit and solidify so it can sit inside of each other, all the different ingredients, and just come together. There you have it. And what science topic can we add to this? There are so many topics that we can add to this. We can go over states of matter. We can talk about friction. We can talk about the different forces on why this is actually sitting at the bottom of the container. We can also talk about covalent bonding. We can discuss viscosity. So there's a lot of topics that you can talk about in regards to making body scrub. And if you're an entrepreneur, you can teach entrepreneurship, logo, jingle, etc., etc. So thanks for joining us. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube video at S.E.E.K Foundation, and I'll see you again. Bye.